Listen carefully. Not to me, but to the silence inside you that has been screaming since the rejection. Rejection is not a verdict, it is a revelation. It does not say you were not enough, it says you were not aligned. A man is not broken by rejection, he is exposed by it. Exposed to what he neglected, exposed to where he placed his worth, exposed to how much of himself he outsourced for validation. Understand this truth. A man loses power the moment he begs to be chosen. A man regains power the moment he chooses himself. Women do not reject men randomly. They respond to structure, direction, and self-containment. They feel before they think. They sense before they decide. And when a man's center collapses, when his identity leaks through his need, the attraction dies silently. Not out of cruelty, but out of instinct. Rejection is not feminine malice, it is biological honesty. And now you stand at the only crossroads that matters. Remain the man who asks, "Why wasn't I enough?" Or become the man who asks, "Who must I become?" The truth men avoid. Rejection hurts not because of loss, but because it attacks the ego's illusion of control. You believed effort guaranteed desire. You believed consistency guaranteed attraction. You believed loyalty guaranteed selection. That belief is where men bleed. Masculine value is not negotiated, it is observed. Women do not chase effort. They respond to presence. They do not bond to availability. They bond to direction. A man who loses himself to be loved teaches the world how to discard him. A man who stands whole forces the world to adjust. Rejection reveals one thing with brutal clarity. You were seeking approval instead of embodying gravity. Practical breakdown, rebuilding the man. Principle 1, cut off emotional leakage. Psychology. Neediness repels because it signals instability. The brain reads emotional overflow as lack of internal order. A man who reacts excessively to rejection communicates, "My value depends on you." That is not romantic. That is unsafe.
It feels important.
Real example. Two men get rejected. One texts again, explains himself, seeks closure. The other goes silent, not in anger, but in self-respect. Weeks later, only one remains remembered. Masculine behavior. No emotional explanations, no justification, no chasing clarity from someone who already chose. Silence is not weakness, it is emotional sovereignty. What women respond to? Contained emotion, unshaken posture, a man who does not unravel under disappointment. Your upgrade. Learn to hold emotion, not dump it. Principle 2, rebuild identity, not image. Psychology. Men recover wrongly by changing appearance only. Women feel identity, not aesthetics. If your life lacks direction, no grooming can save you. Real example. A man improves his style but remains reactive. Another builds routine, mission, physical discipline, and solitude. Only one gains presence. Masculine behavior. Wake with purpose, Train the body daily. Structure your day like war strategy. Remove idle time that breeds rumination. Discipline rebuilds identity faster than motivation. What women respond to? Men who move with certainty, even in silence. Men whose lives are already full. Your upgrade. Design your days so rejection has nowhere to sit. Principle 3. Remove her from the pedestal. Psychology. The pedestal turns desire into pressure. Pressure kills attraction. When a man centers a woman emotionally, she becomes the judge, not the partner. Real example. One man treats her like destiny. Another treats her like a chapter. Only one remains intriguing. Masculine behavior. Stop narrating your feelings. Stop projecting future fantasies. Stop over-investing early. Presence over performance. What women respond to? Men who invite, not pursue. Men who choose, not hope. Your upgrade. Become the prize by building a life that doesn't need permission. Principle 4. Transmute rejection into edge. Psychology. Pain contains energy. Weak men waste it in self-pity. Strong men convert it into momentum. Real example. One man spirals into distraction. Another sharpens himself. Body, mind, finances, presence. Months later, the gap is irreversible. Masculine behavior. Train harder. Work deeper. Speak less. Observe more. Let rejection forge you, not soften you. What women respond to? Men's whose silence feels earned. Men's whose calm carries history. Your upgrade. Turn loss into leverage. Cinematic VO scenes. Scene 1. A man walks alone at night. City lights blur. His phone remains dark. His posture is upright, not defeated. VO. He does not chase what left. He becomes what cannot be ignored. Scene 2. A woman watches a man from across a room. He is not trying. He is not watching her. His presence fills the space. VO. She feels the gravity before she understands it. Scene 3. A man stands before a mirror. No anger, no desperation, only resolve. VO. This is not recovery. This is resurrection. The legendary ending, the prophecy. Hear this and do not forget it. You were never rejected. You were redirected. Away from weakness, away from illusion, away from a version of yourself that would have cost you everything. The man who chases comfort is forgotten. The man who chooses growth becomes inevitable. Do not announce your return. Do not seek validation for your transformation. Let absence do the work. Let discipline carve your shape. Let silence announce your presence. You are not here to be chosen. You are here to become. And when you rise, not desperate, not loud, not seeking, the world will feel it. Rebuild to be loved. You rebuilt to be unbreakable.